20 foods that are good for your dog. Chicken is a staple in many dog diets, and for a good reason. It is lean meat packed with protein, making it a great option for dogs who need to maintain or build muscle mass. It is also easily digestible, a good option for dogs with food sensitivities. Chicken can be served cooked or raw, mixed into a dog's regular food, or given as a treat. Turkey is another great option for dogs that need a high-protein diet. Like chicken, turkey is also a lean meat easily digestible and a good option for dogs with food sensitivities. Turkey can be served cooked or raw and can be mixed into a dog's regular food or given as a treat. Beef is a rich source of protein, iron, and essential vitamins and minerals, making it a great option for dogs with a healthy appetite. Beef can be served cooked or raw, mixed into a dog's regular food, or given as a treat. However, it is important to choose lean beef cuts and avoid giving your dog fatty or processed beef products. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for a dog's skin, coat, and joint health. It is also a good source of protein and essential vitamins and minerals. Salmon can be served cooked or raw, mixed into a dog's regular food, or given as a treat. However, it is important to avoid giving your dog salmon that has been exposed to environmental pollutants, such as mercury. Sweet potatoes are a low-fat alternative to other starchy foods and are a great source of fiber and vitamin A. They can be cooked and served as a treat or mixed into a dog's regular food. Sweet potatoes are also a great option for dogs with food sensitivities, as they are easily digestible. Brown rice is a good source of fiber, vitamins B and E, and essential amino acids. It is also easily digestible for dogs, which is helpful for their digestive health. Oatmeal is an incredibly nourishing and healthful food for dogs, as it is packed with dietary fiber and essential vitamins and minerals essential to sustaining their health. It is also a great energy source for active dogs, making it the perfect snack or meal for any canine companion. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber, protein, zinc, and iron. Oatmeal provides many other nutrients, such as calcium, phosphorus, and selenium. It also contains the necessary vitamins your dog needs to live a healthy life. Quinoa is an incredibly nutritious superfood packed with essential protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is also a great option for dogs with food sensitivities due to its hypoallergenic properties. This makes it an ideal choice for a healthy and balanced diet for your pup. Carrots are low-fat and low-calorie treats packed with fiber, vitamin A, and beta-carotene. They can be given as a treat or mixed into a dog's regular food and are a great option for dogs who need to maintain a healthy weight. Carrots can also help clean a dog's teeth while they chew. Apples are a great source of fiber and vitamin C and can also help clean a dog's teeth while chewing. They can be given as a treat or mixed into a dog's regular food and are a low-fat and low-calorie option. However, it is important to avoid giving your dog apple seeds, as they contain small amounts of cyanide. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins C and K, making them a great treat for dogs. They are low in calories and can be given as a treat or mixed into a dog's regular food. Blueberries are also a great option for dogs who need to maintain a healthy weight. Green beans are a low-fat and low-calorie food packed with fiber and vitamin C and K. They can be given as a treat or mixed into a dog's regular food and are a great option for dogs who need to lose weight. Green beans are also easily digestible and help regulate a dog's digestive system. Peas are low-fat and low-calorie food packed with protein, fiber, and vitamins A and C. They can be given as a treat or mixed into a dog's regular food and are a great option for dogs who need to lose weight. Peas are also easily digestible and can. Lentils are a great addition to your dog's diet. They are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Lentils are also low in fat, making them a healthier alternative to other protein sources. Lentils can be cooked and added to your dog's regular food or served as a side dish. They provide a good Pumpkin is a great food for dogs, as it is packed with fiber and vitamins. It can help regulate a dog's digestive system, benefiting those suffering from constipation or diarrhea. Pumpkin also contains essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. The high fiber content helps to keep your pup feeling full longer and can help prevent weight gain. Additionally, the antioxidants. Yogurt is a great food for dogs, as it is packed with beneficial nutrients and probiotics. It contains calcium, which helps keep bones strong and healthy, and protein to help build muscle. Yogurt also contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that can help improve a dog's digestive health. Cottage cheese is a great food for dogs, as it is packed with essential nutrients that can help keep them healthy. It is a good source of calcium, protein, and vitamins, which are all important for maintaining strong bones and muscles. Cottage cheese also contains probiotics, which can help improve digestion and boost the immune system. Served as a treat or mixed into your pup's regular meals to provide extra nutrition. It is also a good source of probiotics, which can help support healthy digestion. Eggs are a great source of nutrition for dogs and can be served cooked or raw. They are an excellent source of protein, essential vitamins, and minerals such as iron, zinc, and selenium. Eggs also contain healthy fats that help keep your dog's skin and coat looking healthy. Sardines are a great food for dogs, as they are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. Omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help improve joint health and reduce pain. They also provide essential nutrients that support heart health and brain development. Sardines are an excellent source of protein for dogs. Bone broth. Bone broth is a great way to provide your pup with essential vitamins, minerals, and collagen. It's made by simmering bones in water for an extended period, which helps extract the beneficial nutrients from the bones. Bone broth contains essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. It also contains glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate.